Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's date is 8 August 2022 and my today's topic is instantiation and inheritance in Java. So basically first we will understand instantiation. Uh, if we understand instantiation we have to go to the concept of a constructor overriding. So overriding, so basically in constructor we will see first if there is two construct three constructor basically first in a main class and other are other are uh, there are two constructors with different parameters. First one is a no parameter and second one is with a single parameter. Whenever we call whenever we call main class, then automatically it creates objects or constructor, and the super keyword automatically calls the uh, uh, constructor with no argument. That means and if we initialize means passes the argument with a single, then definitely it will call the constructor with single argument. So this is the basically concept of instantiation, and the other part of constructor it is used for initialization. Now we will see inheritance. So basically there are five types of inheritance, and the last means two are not supported by Java. We will discuss it further. So first is the single inheritance, and in single inheritance there is a two classes, parent class and child class. So child class access the qualities or whatever it may be, the uh, access the qualities of parent class. uh, that means it access that whole class by using extend keyword. Basically extend keyword is not uh, access that parent class, because it again we have to come to the instantiation. Means that means instance variable means instantiation, like it automatically calls parent class using super keyword internally. So basically this is the first one. The second one is multiple inheritance. In this there are three levels, means three types of generations as we consider. Means there are grandparent class, parent class and child class. So child class, parent class uh, extends the access the qualities of grandparent class, and child class access the qualities of parent class and parent class. So basically indirectly child class access the qualities of both that classes. Then third one is hierarchical inheritance. In this there are one parent and there are two child class. Means the first child class definitely access parent class, and also second parent class allowed to access that parent class. But now we will go to multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance there is totally opposite to hierarchical. Means in hierarchical there is a one parent and two child class, but in multiple there is two parents and one child. This is not possible uh, logically or in other sense also, because one child class cannot access two parent classes, and that is why this is not uh, present in Java. And no, last one is uh, hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance means whatever we seen these four inheritances, we have to combine them. But as we know that multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java, that's why hybrid inheritance automatically discards. Means we cannot use hybrid inheritance in Java. So that's all from my side. Thank you.